Right, and welcome to Highway 97A. Now, where would you find Highway 97A? Well, if you'd on Trans-Canada headed either to or from Vancouver, there's two ways to go. You can go up via Kamloops, or you could come south via Vernon and Kelowna. Now, the Kelowna is on, and Vernon, for that matter of fact, 97A. So this is a lovely road that we're going to show you, make an ideal motorcycle ride along the lake here. Very large lake. You can rent houseboats on it. You can have your own condo there with a marina out the back if you really wanted to. And Vernon to the 2 junction, it's around about 70 odd kilometres. No, yeah, probably about 70 kilometres. But just look at that, you have this wonderful lake to ride along, mountains on the side, the forest fire's been through probably last summer. And you could enjoy riding along this road, looking at this lake. And the thing is, the outside temperature here, as opposed to say Calgary or the other side of the Rockies, is about 10 degrees warmer. Because this is 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and it is 18 degrees, whereas in Calgary it's around about 5 degrees at the moment, 5 to 7 degrees. So we'll just let you watch Highway 97A, Highway 97A, linking the 2 highway to Vernon as a possible motorcycle occasional ride for you. It's a scenery ride, it's not a technical ride. There are some twisty bits when we get along it a little bit. We'll bring you those, but the first part of it is fairly open, gliding corners with lovely Canadian scenery, including this lake to look at. Right, so we've just left Mara Lakes, or Mara Springs, and this is sort of the road now to Vernon. A lot of holiday homes along here and things like that, but the road's good surface. A lot of camping grounds on it. Johnson Creek has got salmon in it, so therefore Mara Lake would have salmon in it too. Probably had pike in it. Whispering Pines, you can stay, they've got quite a big swimming pool there. Might be some trout in the streams. You just don't know what you might pull out of the water here. But this is a ride that you'd be seeing along here. Nice, smooth, gentle corners. 80 kilometre speed limit. So don't think you're going to do sports bike Sunday and do 120. Well, you can try, but I think the RCMP might pull you up or issue you with an infringement notice, confiscate your bike, because they do that in British Columbia for speeding offences. If they're serious, they confiscate the vehicle. So keep that in mind if you think you're going to do the 97A at high speed, that your bike might be confiscated, and that would kind of put a damper on what you want to do. Right, so we're coming into the little town of Mayberry and Grinrod. There's a sports ground, it's 50 kilometres, leather and stitches. It's probably still open. There was a auto parts, boat storage, RV storage, Okanagan Riverbend produce, and a bit of industrial here, because they grow maize or corn, and I guess they mill it here and mix it with other things and send it probably all over Canada. Rod's probably famous for that. Nice barn over there on the right hand side. Markets, coffee, tea, all sorts of things. Oh, there's the markets up here coming up on the right. Farmers markets. Farmer John's markets when they're open. We'll probably have lots of lovely fresh vegetables and fruits. Being BC, it's cherry time too in springtime. Two types of cherries, the white cherries and the red cherries. I prefer the red cherries, nothing wrong with the white cherries, but just the red ones seem to have a sweeter taste to them. They sell them fairly cheap, around about, from memory, something like $3.99 a pound for them. Normally they're on the road everywhere, but we haven't seen any this trip, so they were in the farmers markets, but not on roadside, so just not sure whether it wasn't a good year for cherries or a bit early yet. Might have been very early ones we saw in the markets, but then at $3.99, one would think that early cherries would be much more expensive than that. So that was Grindrod and Mayberry that we just went through there on Reminder 97A. A nice ride past Mara Lakes and Mara Springs and into Vernon, or from Vernon headed east. Right, we're now going through the city of Edinburgh, which is on Maybole Lake. They've got their local IGA and plenty of fuel service stations, drive-in chicken, fish and chips, ice cream, or take out. There's a big lumber yard we saw just on the edge, or on the northern side of it. Lots and lots of lovely lumber. A lot of it's for export. Motels. Oh, there's a swimming pool, and there's lots and lots of people at it. I haven't seen many people in the swimming pool for the last 3 months. It's been too cold, but that one's well patronised. Quite a lot of motels, so I'd say you get a night here, no trouble at all. Liquor shop there if you want it, BC Liquor. But there was, like I said, IGA and other shops back in town. I think I saw at least 4 motels at it. Nice little town, and it still goes on. Don't know what the big round place is there, but it's obviously something of interest to the town. Might be a school or a civic administration, who knows. And then some more service stations, cafes, markets here when they're opened on the left hand side. It doesn't tell us what day they're open, but there's markets there. Fuel 162.9. It's got Tim Hortons, Chester's Chicken, all those sort of things, so you wouldn't starve here. So that's Enbury, wherever it might be. Banana milkshakes. Now that's something that's you wouldn't expect to find in British Columbia. Banana milkshakes. Well, that's the way it goes. I think it's at the zoo, and you feed bananas to the monkeys, and you can have banana milkshake. Log barn. Yeah. So that's in our town, and we're only 35 kilometres away from Vernon. But there's another town that will bring you in between. So keep riding, keep the shiny side up. We're not recording. Look, drive-in movie theatre there. Drive-in movies.
Yeah.
See there? Starlight Drive-In. Tractor's going at 10 kilometres for the next 5 kilometres, could be. station going over there. That's smart use. Visit my kids, and there's a photo of a goat there.
Beautiful farmland off those mountains. Imagine, no wonder the soils be so rich and fertile. You know, when rock breaks down, it makes, oh, look at that. Oh, that's
Chocolate.
chocolate, yum, yum. Yeah. Look at that. You know, what a valley.
Oh yeah, fertile. Volcanic soil's extremely fertile. And that's some kid's farm or something there. Look at that. Whatever it is. Log barn. Open 10 to 3. Seatbelt on, we're driving, isn't it? Just while you got your seatbelt on and we're driving.
I'm driving.
Otherwise, you'd be out there going chomp, 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 chomp.
I would. I'd be out there with a spoon going chomp, yum, 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 yum. You'd grow babies in it. Potato babies, turnip babies, carrot babies, parsley babies. You could grow babies.
So you could take them all up to the farmers market and sell them. Except probably everyone coming, most people coming there to be locals, they're already growing their own.
That's right. They probably would be too.
You'd need a truck to take them into Vancouver. See where they've got the house tucked in underneath the hill.
Big barn.
Yeah, it's a big barn.
A big barn.
What's that there? That's something's fallen down. Millet or wheat? I don't know, it's fallen down places. Something's knocked it down. Way you look, there's lovely farming countries.
Oh, it is. A little bit of good country is better than a whole lot of poor country.
The other ute went straight through all that deep water. I took care to miss it because I could see it was as rough as anything when he hit it.
Oh, it would be.
Yeah.
Be rough, all right.
Strawberries, carrots, English peas.
I don't know what English peas are.
I don't
Prepare
know.
to keep
Well, in
left
England they
after
peed the
800
same as
meters.
us.
Sorry, what are you saying?
I said I thought in England they peed the same as us.
Yeah. Now it's just keep left up here. Armstrong. Oh, yeah. Don't go to Armstrong.
After 300 meters, keep left onto Highway 97A.
Yeah, don't go down that exit
Keep
there.
left.
roads to Armstrong.
The soup that Margaret had was nice, wasn't it? What was it called? Bisque. Something or other, bisque.
Tomato bisque.
Tomato bisque.
B-I-S-C-U-E, I think. Nice can.
Very nice.
Kenwa.
Yes, very nice.
And W.
A and W. I know them now. I know those ones now.
The Anchoring pub.
I don't want a house with steps in it. I don't want to see those steps. Even if my knees were better, I still wouldn't like steps.
No. You walk up steps and you can fall down steps.
Yeah, well, look at you took a tumble. That worried me when I realised what happened. You could have split your head open, you could have done anything. You certainly could have broken a limb. You certainly could have broken a limb. If you broke a limb or something like that in that house, where would you be? You've just got steps up, steps down.
Look at the mountains here. Not recording.
Okay. Oh no, Bronco.
The fox jumped over the lazy dog on sitting at the fence post. No, that's not quite right.
Isn't that got all the letters of the alphabet in it?
Yep. Down there. It's not quite as flat, but it's still good farming land, isn't it? Is there a big lake or something coming up?
Oh, fertile, flourished land around it. I mean, it's got to have water, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Things grow when they get water, and that's what it's got. That's what Merriwee didn't have. It didn't have enough water. I think there were 29 dams on the place, but
old nursery, is it? Rain could held off for half an hour till we got there.
It'd be
couldn't it?
nice if it had it done, wouldn't it?
We're only about half an hour away. What are all the cars doing down there? Oh,
No,
the
little
rowing club.
skits, the skits. You know those
Yeah.
rowing boats or
Yeah.
skits or whatever they call them?
Skiffs.
The skits, what are they? Skiffs.
Skiffs.
Skiffs, yeah. It's like skiffs.
Probably the Vernon Rowing Club or something. Dawson Truck Centre. Truck Centre. Over next door. Over New Machinery. Well, they sell farm machinery when they round here. They should do. See the school, must be, is that the school? Must be a school up there. Yeah, something high school. Christian Middle High School.
Middle high school. Middle.
The middle. So there'd be years 7 to 10. Bannister Honda, Vernon Nissan, Kia, RVs. Household, something pub, used cars and truck sales, RVs, no payments for 6 months, and then double payments. Oh no. City of Vernon. We go off at 39th Street. That's 27th Street. We go off at 39th Street. Never been here before, I don't think. I've been to Vernon, but that was Vernon down the States, I think.
It'd be a nice place, but it'd be cold. Big river. No railway track.
No
not-
railway.
It's railway. I don't know if there's... No, there's no water. It can't be all railway, sure.
There's
No,
a
it's
town
up
there.
on...
See, there's a town there.
It's definitely railway track.
Car wash. Vacuums, and wherever that is. No idea. Shopping centre, yeah. See, the rain hasn't been here, the road's dry. See that?
Yeah. The road is dry.
Yeah. Oh, that wasn't what I wanted to do. I wanted to do that. Fairfield Inn, Marriott, Silver Star Resort area, whatever that might be. No idea. Prepare to stop. Vernon Toyota, Best Western. Oh, he's staying Days Inn or something, isn't it?
I don't know. I honestly don't know.
Be on that one, 8218.
That's...
Hotels.com, the red one. Or just go on emails, that's the quickest way. Just go
8218.
yeah. And just go into emails. Who's this? I'll see hotels.com confirmation.
Prepare to turn right in 800 meters.
I will do that for you. Happy Father's Day with plenty of lips. Not this one. Big shopping centre, Safeway there. Interior savings. Credit union, ATM, Quality Inns.
Oh dear, I don't know. Are you sure?
In emails?
No, it wasn't emails. Where's emails?
It'll be in a group there on
YouTube.
Denny's, DQ. Eco Lodge. I thought it was Eco
I
Lodge,
think it's Eco Lodge.
but that's one. But there might be more in town. Yeah, that's,
Eco Lodge. This is it.
you
I
sure?
know, but well, look at the front of it. That's what the
In
picture was.
300 meters,
And I can't
turn
find it on
right
this
onto
anyway, so-
39th
so-
Avenue.
Maybe we could stop here and just have a look.
I'll go in here and have a
What was I looking for?
where we're staying.
Yes, I know, but I was looking for
Email.
emails. Oh, what does emails look like? Not those ones. Emails. YouTube. Emails.
Canada's best value.
Hotelsfrom.com. Would that be it?
Yeah. Fi-
Eco Lodge, Vernon.
What address say? It's saying
I haven't got my glasses on.
it says there might be more than one in town. See?
I have to get out my glasses. But that's a photo. That building is this.
But they'd all be built the same way, probably.
Vernon Lodge, 1618, today, 4 p.m. Check out tomorrow. Duration is 1400 32 Street, Vernon, BC, Canada.
Well,
Confirmation.
this isn't 32nd Street. Yeah.
Well, this is 4,100, 32 Vernon Street. But see the facade of this building?
Yeah, but
That's what it looked like.
yeah. Yeah, but they'd probably build them all because they're saying this isn't the right one. Isn't 32nd Street.
Okay.
Take the next left onto 42nd Avenue.
Did you say 32nd Street?
Yes.
Oh, that's 32nd Street, that one.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. That's,
Well, it's got the facade the same. Might be another one, I don't know. But this one is what was on the picture.
well, that is 32nd Street out the front there, see?
Yep. Well, that was what was on the picture.
Route recalculation.
Whether they've got
At
two
end of the
exactly the
road,
same, I
turn
don't know.
right onto Highway 97.
I'll walk down from here, I think.
I'll just wait here if you go and have See if there's another one. Can you take your phone with you?
Yep. Well, this is 32nd Street. See out there? It's just 32nd Street and 42nd Avenue. Make it 4100 on the corner. So this is the right address. So I don't know where the GPS was in. But see, that being 4100.
I can only
32nd Street.
recognise it from the picture on
Yeah, no, I agree with you. And there's Denny's just opposite.
Oh. Where's Denny's?
Right there, see?
Oh yes, Denny's right over there. Okay, we go and check it out.
Yeah, I reckon it has to be because it's 42nd Avenue, which is 4100 block. Oh, you got my name back there, please?
Yes, it's on this side.
Yeah.
No doubt you're under surveillance.
Oh.
Oh dear. Sandman Sweets.
Yeah.
We could go across the road to Denny's. Easy.
Yeah.
Or Asian Avenue. It's not Friday night, so
No.
a bit late.
Yeah, we'll say.
Friday night. It's Chinese, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
We never had. Oh yes, we did have Chinese. It's not what we thought we were going to have, though, was it?
But I just thought Denny's, there's usually things that you like there, and you can
Yes.
just get a side and things like that there.
Oh, I do. I like it.
And we can't have it at home. We're just going to have Asian at home, can't we?
Yeah, anytime. I don't know what the GPS was on about.
No.
Because
We're seeing us now 2.2 kilometres.
do not smoke
Into
marijuana.
150 meters, turn right onto 39th Avenue.
101, I think.
Yep. Probably where those two were parked there, I'd say.
101 is right there.
There's a car parked right in it.
Yeah.
But we'll just park next door to it.
It's 101.
Yeah.
Take the next left onto 42nd Avenue.
Yeah, we'll see if we can program this for Vancouver Airport. Okay. Menu. Where to? Point of interest. Search by name. Vancouver Space Airport. No matching results. Don't tell me that. Searching airports. What? An unknown error occurred. Would you like to search offline from your vehicle's navigation? Offline. Airport. There we are. Edmonton International Airport. Why wouldn't it have Vancouver? Airport, no matching results.
Why don't you put Vancouver first?
I did before and it didn't know.
You're joking. You're joking.
I don't in Vancouver. suddenly came up. That's where you want to go, huh? 5 hours and 1 minute.
Take the next right onto 42nd
453
Avenue.
kilometres.
Then, at
That's
end of
all
the
I want to
road,
know.
turn right.
That's all I want to know. Right,
Let's go, Joe.
let's blow Joe. Oops, that's been recording.
Where's your black man?